Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the site and foundation materials. This is where safety and geometry matter. Once you have bathymetry and current readings, mark the footprint and anchor a cofferdam with temporary piles so you can work dry. Make sure to place 1/2 rebar cages and bolt templates onshore, then lift them by barge to align with the pile positions. You need divers to verify alignment before pouring. Do not pour until you confirm zero shift under wave loading. You now assemble the load-bearing elements and internal systems. Precision here reduces later maintenance. First, pour the footing with a tremie, maintaining continuous flow to prevent cold joints and voids. Once cured, lift and bolt prefabricated tower modules, torquing flange bolts to spec and sealing seams with marine-grade sealant so corrosion is minimized. Then, route conduits and mount ladder sections, because running cables later is harder. Pressure test conduits and secure a dry chamber you complete by installing the lantern and power system, then commission and test everything. First, set the lens at the specified focal height and secure the rotation drive. Connect the solar array to the 12V controller and battery bank, then simulate night cycles to verify the flash pattern and intensity. Make sure lightning protection is bonded. If lights wobble or water enters, stop and reseal flange joints, replace gaskets, and pressure test the lantern room. This troubleshooting step prevents failures at sea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.